Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix TikTok account is currently suspended. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now first up, if you're seeing this message, well, obviously your account is suspended. And how do we fix that? Or how to resolve the issue? Okay, so first up, just go ahead and open up your favorite browser. For example, under Chrome right here. Wait for it to open. Now go to the URL box. Now type in support.tiktok.com. Alright, once done, just hit on go. Wait for the website to load. Now once it loads, go ahead and scroll down, okay, and find safety. Alright, and here just tap on report a problem. Okay, go ahead and scroll down until you find report another issue. Tap on it. Scroll down until you find online reporting form. Tap on it. Okay. Wait for another page to load, and here you go. Select the topic and then tap on general account inquiry. Okay. Category right here. Just go ahead and select other. Okay. Username, type down your username in here. Contact email, where TikTok support will contact you when they have the solution for you. All right. Additional details right here. Just type in, "Hi TikTok support. I would like to get help on how to unsuspend my account, as I believe that I was wrongfully suspended or banned." Okay. Now, if you do have a screenshot of that suspension message, go ahead and upload that from here. Okay. And then once done, tap on both tick boxes and hit on submit. Okay. Wait for about 24 to 48 hours for them to get back to you, and rest assured that your account will be available soon. That's basically how you fix it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.